Framed by the Gulangyu Island, the city of 3.5 million people plays host to the 5 leaders who formed a partnership which is already changing the global economic landscape. The BRICS countries are meeting here to take stock of progress made and map the way forward. Inspired by the success of the past 10 years, they are already talking about the next golden decade.
We need to stay focused on promoting results-oriented economic cooperation and expand converging interest in trade and investment, currency and finance, connectivity, sustainable development, innovation, and industrial cooperation. This year, we have formulated the BRICS Trade in Services Cooperation Roadmap. The outlines for BRICS investment facilitation, the BRICS e-commerce cooperation initiative, the BRICS action plan for innovation cooperation, and the action plan for deepening industrial cooperation among BRICS countries.
A formal structure of 5 countries with the influence extending beyond them. Perhaps the reason they are already talking about the BRICS Plus. For South Africa, which is next year's host, lessons to boost the local economy.
As South Africa, there's many lessons to be learned, but more than just lessons, we need to look for opportunities for our small and medium enterprises. If you look at the trade imbalances in almost all these countries, it is against South Africa. And we believe that despite the fact that trade balances depend on volumes, we think that small and medium enterprises can get an opportunity of selling some of their products to these BRICS countries.
And business is seeking to take advantage of the opportunities presented by the collaboration.
There is a deliberate attempt by all BRICS countries to ensure that there is equitable trade. Not only equitable trade, but opportunity that is created. Where we have increased skill sets, they are prepared to bring those skill sets into those respective countries and build on that. There's the issue of human movement as well, which has been raised. Yesterday, the Chinese president spoke very vigorously about several things. One, which was liberalization, referring particularly to reducing red tape, more specifically bringing it down to the ground so that trade barriers are removed.
Whilst the bloc is talking economic cooperation, it's aware of the events that could have a destabilizing factor. North Korea continues to test its intercontinental ballistic missiles, drawing ire from the region and the US. If left unchecked, this could derail world peace and stability. Mzwandile Mbethe, SABC News, Xiamen, China.